friends of the vlog, coming at you from the van, and we're at the secret spot of Carolina Beach. And we woke up to one of the best views that we've had in the van, and believe it or not, yes, it is at home.
And it was on accident.
Yep.
Like when we pulled in, we didn't know that this was here.
And we parked at night, so we couldn't really tell what we were waking up to, but it's amazing. We have done some renovations to the van and we have so much more room. It's honestly unbelievable.
It's the best thing ever.
Like,
I can't get over it.
We were nearly miserable looking back with how little space we had in here. I mean, all three of us are on the floor now. Riley just laid down. All three of us are on the floor looking out this door right now.
Which technically we could have all been on the floor, but I would have been shoved in between the bench right here.
Yeah.
And uncomfortable.
It's a game changer. We have the surfboards in the van. We have another GFCI outlet to charge things on. Everything is just like next level right now. Stoked you guys are with us today. Yeah, people are Airbnb-ing our house out right now for 2 more days. So, Airbnb and van life. Check. The morning sickness is happening. But dang, look at that one.
That was a nice one.
Dang.
Mad decent.
There's definitely some wedgies out there. Some screamers.
I don't know.
We're thinking about it. Look at this guy. There's no way to see that guy though. Oh. Yo! Amanda and Tim are about to paddle out and I'm about to nail some surfing shots right now. See you out there, boys. El Dumpo of the El Pio. Ew. Good morning, everyone. Friends of the vlog.
Good morning.
As many of you may know, or heard me mention in this video, we are Airbnb-ing out our house while staying in our van. And we actually parked right across the street from our house that is currently being rented. Check it out.
Like a bunch of creepers.
It's pretty funny. That's the house right there. We're under the bridge. We are under the bridge that connects you to the island. And it's pretty sick. Slept really good because we kicked Riley off of the bed. That was the best decision of all time. We are.
I wonder if I could scoot this back at all.
We are about to head to Topsail Island. It's about 40 minutes away. And we're gonna have beach day with Aunt JoJo.
Aunt JoJo!
We are stoked. Another beach day is underway. And yeah, van life, North Carolina. Van life, Carolina Beach. Van life, Topsail Island.
Again.
It can be many different van lives. Ew. Alright, so we made it to Topsail, and Amanda is going to be seeing her best friend Jordan that she hasn't seen since we left on our 8-month trip in the van. So this is going to be a legendary moment for sure.
Hey buddy. Hey Riley.
Friends reuniting!
Yay! Yay. Those people literally want to kill me. Oh, I'm so excited!
What's up, dude? On a mission. Riley, stay with your mom. My mission is to pick up soy sauce from the store. So I'm gonna get my bike out. And we got our bikes in the van now. And I'm gonna go get some soy sauce.
Me.
Yeah. Holy heck. Mango is so good. Bang, bang. Just like that. All right, guys, good morning. After 3 quick days in the van, we're back to the house. The Airbnb people are gone. Checkout is at 12, it's 11:59. And bang, bang, son. We're back, so let's go see. Riley, come on, bud. Riley, come on. So we're gonna sanitize as we go inside.
I'm gonna make sure the key's in here.
So this is our first time Airbnb-ing the house out. And yeah, we're gonna see how it went pretty much right now. Hopefully they leave us a good review because we hooked it up, yo. Amanda left zucchini bread for them. She left like all of our favorite restaurants. They had Hulu, Netflix, Wi-Fi, everything, dude.
Hamilton. I didn't know you had Hamilton on there. No. Hamilton.
Later, dog. Poor guy has to live in that little box, dude. That's kind of savage.
BB, it's his home.
What's it gonna be like, guys?
Good sniff.
Smells a little different, I would say.
Good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sick. He's sniffing in there a lot. All right, we're looking super good, dude. Yeah. Oh my God! Wow, dude.
Does it look good?
It looks like untouched.
Perfect.
Everything is in the same exact spot. Like what?
The wine opener.
Did they? Sick. Oh, they ate all your zucchini bread. And they did.
Good. Perfect.
Dude, those people rule. Wow. Dude, I'm so stoked.
Look, it bloomed, baby. Look how big my lettuce has got.
What the heck?
They're huge.
Dude, those are enormous. Dude,
Look at them.
these are freaking huge. Holy heck.
Look at my baby strawberry.
Oh, strawberry.
Look at this little baby strawberry. Oh my God.
Wow, it feels so good to be back, honestly. Even just 3 days later.